Use these awesome life hacks and share them with a friend. Add a key to a keychain easily by sliding a straw into the wedge and then adding on your key through the straw. Use garlic to draw a circle in the middle of the pan so you can make perfectly circle omelets. To drink wine without a corkscrew, heat up the mouth of the bottle and the cork will pop right out itself. Slice a lemon in half, soak one end of a Q-tip in the lemon. Then write a string of code on the piece of paper. Hold this paper over fire and it will reveal your secret message. Draw this design on a bottle and then trace cut it out. Add tape around the edges to prevent cuts. Hook it on a cabinet door and you now have a disposable kitchen trash can for cooking. Remove the top from a wet wipes container and glue it onto the side of a bottle of this size. Trace and cut out the shape of the opening. Glue the top back on and use this for garlic storage, gloves, and even more. Wrap a band around the neck of the dishwashing liquid for the perfect amount of liquid and less waste. For hazardous slipping and sliding mats, place a piece of rolling film under the mat to prevent any further slipping. Place clean film along the back wall before cooking to peel away leftover cooking juices easily. Also line rolling film into the grease catcher. Add folded paper towel on top of the film. You now have a seamless grease cleaning process. If you can't get the lid off of a jar, tap the lid with a spoon and then wrap rolling film over the top and turn. Plastic wrap the remote with a clean layer of film for less germs. Place your medicine into the plastic film, fold it over, and roll over the pills to crush the medicine. Wrap your shoes in plastic film and heat it up with a hairdryer to seal it for less collecting dust and dirt. Fold the lid of an instant noodle box twice. You now have a mini bowl for yourself or for sharing. To make your own selfie stick, cross two bands together like this. Add it on the back of the phone and slide an umbrella inside. You now have your own personal selfie stick. Add rubber bands to make squares inside of a leftover box. You now have a unique small item organizer. Cut a slit into a chopstick. Take a small blade and slide it into the slit of the chopstick. Apply superglue to secure the blade in. Insert the chopstick into a hose and turn it to cut a spiral and use it for wrapping cables. Use a lighter to burn sensitive information right off of labels. Burn the top of a bottle cap and poke a hole through it. Draw these 3 lines on the bottle and then cut them out. Fold the top of the bottle into the cutout circle. Screw the top back on and you now have a disposable funnel. Use this bacon, slicing, and stacking method for perfect bacon portions. Cut off both ends of a kiwi. Slide a spoon into the kiwi and turn it for a perfect push fruit. Place ice cubes into a spoon to remove excess grease from the pan. Cover solid brown sugar with a piece of paper towel. Spray water on it and put it into the microwave for 20 seconds. The brown sugar is now fluffy. Remove the leaves from an onion. Grab an empty carton box and cut holes in the top. Add them into the holes and water them. You'll never have to pay for onions again. Cut off the top half of a large empty plastic bottle. Drill even holes on both ends of it. Place a chopstick through it, and you now have a convenient and practical tissue paper holder. Wash out and superglue your old cans to a wooden plank. Spray paint the whole thing your favorite color and use it as an organizer. Slice the top half of a water bottle off. Loop a dish scrubber through it with a string. Place the top back on it and use it for a scrubber. Create this simple water gun at home using these steps. Stack your shoe boxes like this for a homemade shoe rack. Cut a cardboard box diagonally and glue them together. Decorate it with a nice looking sticker and use it as a mini bookcase. Cut the mouth off of a water bottle. Place it on top of an open wine bottle and heat it.